When it comes to high-protein foods, knowing how to test for them can make a big difference in your diet. Let's dive into some examples that are not only delicious, but also packed with protein. First up, peanut butter. It's a staple in many households, but how do you know if it's a good source of protein? Check the nutrition label. A 2-tablespoon serving typically contains around 7 to 8 grams of protein. But don't forget to look for natural varieties with minimal added sugars and oils. Pair it with whole grain bread or apple slices, and you've got a tasty snack that fuels your body. Next, let's talk about Too Good Greek yogurt. This yogurt is a game changer with about 12 grams of protein per serving. It's a fantastic option for breakfast or a post-workout snack. The key here is the straining process that removes excess whey, concentrating the protein. Plus, it's low in sugar, making it a smart choice for those watching their intake. You can enjoy it plain or mix in some berries and nuts for added flavor and nutrients. Now onto Italian chicken sausages. These are not just flavorful, they're also a great source of protein. One sausage can pack around 14 to 16 grams of protein, depending on the brand. When selecting sausages, look for ones made with lean chicken and minimal fillers. They're perfect for grilling or adding to a stir-fry. Just remember to balance your meal with veggies for a well-rounded dish. Protein is crucial for so many body functions. It helps with muscle repair, supports weight loss by keeping you full longer, and plays a role in hormone production. When you're trying to lose weight, incorporating high-protein foods can help maintain muscle mass while shedding fat. But how do you incorporate these foods into your daily routine? Meal prep is a fantastic strategy. Spend a few hours on the weekend preparing meals that include these high-protein options. You could make a batch of overnight oats with Greek yogurt and fruit, or grill a bunch of chicken sausages to toss into salads throughout the week. Remember, it's not just about hitting a protein target. It's about enjoying the foods you eat. Experiment with different recipes and combinations. Maybe try a peanut butter smoothie with Greek yogurt for a protein-packed breakfast, or a chicken sausage and veggie stir-fry for dinner. Incorporating high-protein foods into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. With a little knowledge and creativity, you can make meals that are both nutritious and satisfying. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, keep an eye out for these protein-rich options and get ready to enjoy the benefits they bring to your health and wellness journey.